Real, genuine, OEM, XA, XB, GT, radiator support, driving light, stiffening plate. What a tongue twister. These, yeah, they're not so real. So I've got this stiffening plate here off a real XB GT. I know it's a real XB GT because I pulled it off myself, but I've only got it on loan, just so I could copy it and make a pair of my own. I haven't gone through how I made them because it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just a plate. I used 2.5mm plate because it's what I had lying around. You could use 3mm or even bigger, depending on what you've got. What I'll do is I'll take a really good photograph of these, and if you want to make your own, you can just make a screenshot of the photograph and size it up to the dimensions that I give you. You can make them yourself. Now there's a couple of things you will have to keep in mind. The real plate has 8 holes all the way around, and that's so that you can get it into the right orientation. I guess they just made one plate and they flipped them around, because if you'll notice here, the actual holes used are the outside ones and the inside one here on the short side of where these bolts are. Notice that too. They're not in the center, they're off to one side. And there was one more thing to mention. These were actually a self-tapping screw that run from one side of the radiator into this plate. And as you can see here, I've drilled these out to 7mm, just to give me a little bit of play, and my radiator support panel had these holes drilled out to 6mm, or 1/4 inch. And that's why I've done this. I'll just run a 1/4 inch bolt and nut through there. I hope you can make your own set and not have to pay the $70 these are.